Hello, parents. I'm Dr. Bullock, CEO, Head of School for Indy STEAM Academy. Indy STEAM Academy is a free public charter school that focuses on science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. We are enrolling students grades K through 5 for the 21-22 school year. Our first day of school is August 3rd, 2021. Our school hours are 8 o'clock to 4 o'clock. We will provide transportation if you live within the IPS school boundaries. Students may stay after school from 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock to participate in our after-school activities, or you may choose to participate in the extended care program, which ends at 6 o'clock p.m. Our mission is to nurture the academic and creative talents of students through science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. We build a strong foundation in reading because you know that reading is necessary to learn other subjects. We prepare students for high school and college to get high-paying jobs in the STEM workforce. If your child enjoys learning by doing, coding, robotics, science experiments, and creating and building objects to solve real-world problems, then Indy STEAM Academy is the place for you. Visit our website at www.indysteamacademy.org or contact me at 317-556-2307.